Replacing a collect unit is a straightforward process. To begin, reach into the hood of the collect unit and disconnect the communication cable. Pull the communication cable out from behind the collect unit and seal the plug by securing the lid. Detach the milk hose from the main line and then pull the handle to release the lock. With additional support, lift and remove the collect unit from the bracket. From behind the unit, disconnect the pulsation hose, then locate and disconnect the vacuum line. Place the new unit at the milking point and reconnect the vacuum line. Attach the pulsation hose to the outlet located at the back of the new unit, and then together lift the collect unit onto its bracket. Make sure the 3 prongs sit properly in the bracket and the handle is in the locked position. Reconnect the main milk line, then thread the communication cable from behind the collect unit, and connect the plug to the collect control unit. Once connected, the control unit indication status will turn on.